I made a basket and I wanted to decorate it, so I crocheted these flowers also for the basket, adding it to the sides. How to crochet this basket, I have a video tutorial, it's right here. You can follow the instructions and make the same basket as I did, and in this video I will show you how to make these lovely flowers that I made. Of course, you can use it anywhere, not only adding to the basket. You can use it anywhere in your home or in your crochet projects. So let's get started. Now I want to introduce shortly how we will be making this flower. So we will be making a magic circle. Then we will be making single crochet in the middle of magic circle, and then we will make the leaves one by one, and this flower has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 leaves. So it's really easy and quick to make, and I hope you will like this tutorial. To make these flowers, I am using 3mm macrame cord. You can also use any type of yarn. If it's thinner, you should use smaller hook. Depending on your yarn, please choose your hook. So this is 3mm soft macrame cord, and I am using 4.5 crochet hook. So we will need a little bit of this cord. It's really nice and shining ivory white cord. It has shining lyrics yarn in it, and this is white cord, the same cord, just different color. To get this cord, you can get it right here, and as I said, you can use any type of yarn for these flowers to make. The middle of the flower will be made with this nice cord. As it is polyester, I will show you how I am preparing it. So I'm using scissors to cut the end of the cord, and then I'm using lighter to burn the end of the cord a bit. Like this. This is polyester, so we can do it, and the end of the cord is now perfect for crocheting. Really nice cord, amazing color. So let's start our flower. So for the beginning, let's make magic circle. There are different techniques how to make magic circle. I'm doing like this, holding the yarn right here, wrapping around 2 fingers like this, then like this. So wrapping around, on this side I have to have letter X, on this side I have to have 2 lines. And now from right here, do it like this. Grab the yarn and pull it through, and finish by grabbing the yarn and pulling it through like this. And this is magic circle. You can see it moves perfectly. You can make it bigger or smaller depending what you need. So now round 1, we will be making 14 single crochet stitches in the middle of this ring. I'm not crocheting together with the end of the cord. 1, 2, 3. How I'm making the single crochet stitches? I'm grabbing the yarn, pulling it through. I have 2 loops on the hook, grabbing the yarn and pulling it through. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then again, grabbing the yarn, pulling it through, 2 loops on the hook, grabbing the yarn, pulling it through both loops. So it's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. Now pull the end of the cord like this. Do it strongly to form a nice ring, just like this. And the last thing that we have to do is we have to join with a slip stitch right here, like this. Pull it through strongly. Now we made the middle of the flower. Now we have to change the color. What I'm doing is I am removing this in the last single crochet, and somewhere at this point I will join the cords, two cords together, the white one and the ivory white one. I will do it as it is polyester. I will do it with a lighter, like this. So as I have to make one more single crochet. Actually, you could have crocheted together this the end of the cord too. So one more single crochet, and let's join with a slip stitch like this. And now we'll be making the leaves of the flower. Maybe I will leave this end shorter, like this. And then I will hide the end between the stitches inside of the flower, somewhere right here. Now I will leave it here just to be able to tighten it. So now let's start making the leaves. So let's chain 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We have a chain of 4. Now we have to make 4 double triple stitches in the next stitch. So right here, let's make 4 double triple stitch. How to make double triple stitch? We have to yarn over onto the hook 3 times. So 1, 2, 3. This is how it looks like. Now right here in this stitch, pull it through. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 loops on the hook, and now we will pull it through 2 loops each time, like this. Now we will repeat the same, and we will be making the same double triple stitch in the same stitch. So yarn over 3 times. I need more cord. So let's do it together again. Yarn over 3 times. So 1, 2, 3. Let's put the hook into the same hole as before. Grab the yarn, pull it through. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 loops on the hook. And now pull it through 2 loops, so 4 times in total. This is how it looks like. Let's repeat this 2 more times. 1, 2, 3. In the same stitch, pull it through 2 loops, 2 loops, 2 loops, and 2 loops, like this. And 1 more stitch we need to make. So 1, 2, 3. In the same stitch, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And this is how it looks like. Now to finish this leaf, we have to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we will make single crochet in the same stitch right here as we did before. So a chain of 4, and right here let's make single crochet. And this is our first leaf of the flower. That looks really nice. Now we have to make one single crochet in the next stitch. So this is what we were crocheting. Now let's make in the next stitch, let's make one single crochet. So now this is the leaf, this is one single crochet, and now we will repeat the same as we did right here. So we will chain 4, then we will make 4 double triple stitches, then we will chain 4 and make single crochet at the bottom. So let's do it together. Let's chain 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now let's make 4 double triple stitches in the next stitch. 1, 2, 3 in the next, and now we will be crocheting in the next stitch right here. And 1, 2, 3 and 4 times to pull it through. Now again, double triple crochet, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 and 4. We have to make 2 more stitches, making it in the same place right here. 3 and 4 and one more, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 and 4. I need more cord, just a moment, and I will take this cord away. Okay, so 4 double triple crochet stitches. Now chain 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and let's make single crochet in the same stitch as we did the stitches before, right here. And this is our second leaf. Now we have to make one single crochet in the next stitch right here. This is where we were crocheting. Now in the next stitch right here, one single crochet. And this is our flower that has 2 leaves already. We have to make 4 more leaves like this, and we will finish our flower. Let's do one more leaf together, okay? And then I will leave you. You will be able to finish the flower alone. So chain 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4 like this. Now double triple crochet stitch in the next stitch right here. I have to make 4 of these stitches, 1, 2, 3, and pull it through 2 loops each time, 1, 2, 3, pull it through 2 like this, and one more, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is how it looks like. Now let's chain 4 again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do single crochet in the same stitch like this, and then one more single crochet in the next stitch right here. And this is half of the flower done. Looks really nice. You can pull the end of the cord so that the middle of the flower would be smaller. Looks like this. So, and I made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 leaves. Now let's make the last leaf together, okay? So let's chain 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Let's make double triple crochet in the next stitch right here. Then one more stitch in the same stitch right here. The third stitch in the same stitch right here. Like this, and one more, 3 stitch right here. So 4 double triple crochet stitches. 1 2 3 4. Now let's chain 4. 1 2 3 and 4. Single crochet in the same stitch right here, and then single crochet in the next stitch right here. And what we have to do at the very end, let's join with a slip stitch at the end right here. And this is our, we will have to fasten off the flower, and our flower is done. Perfect, looks really perfect. Now what to do with the end of the cord? Pull it through a bit, cut it right here. This, I will use a lighter to burn. I will use a lighter to burn the end of the cord a bit, like this. And now, from the other side, I will take smaller hook. We'll take smaller hook. From the inside, I will make a knot right here. I have a loop and I will make a knot and fasten it off like this. So I have 2 ends of the cord. I will hide them in between the stitches like this. A little bit right here like this, and right here like this. I will also hide this end of the cord right here. If you want to add this flower somewhere to the basket, you can leave the ends longer and then you can add it anywhere you prefer. And from this side, and this is the final result, how my flower looks like. Perfect.